What is going on YouTube? We are back with another Lucha Libre box opening. Here we go, we got some good stuff. Anything should be five masks and a couple of shirts and some stickers. Okay, that was it. Didn't have to watch the video. Now you know what's in the box. Okay. Oh, what? He said that? That's crazy. How good is that? Nice little freebie there. Okay. Will you show you the stickers first? Here are the stickers. AEW, La Parker Misfits, AAA. That was it. That was all the stickers, I think. Pretty sure that was all. I know. This goofy. This is like freebie, like it's part of the freebie thing. Ridiculous. But it won't even fit over my head, would it? Ridiculous. But anyway, on with the masks. Okay. First up, how nice is that? Grande. Super nice, that one. These are all like semi-professional. That was super nice. Grande. Sombrero Junior for the ladies. Bandito. Very cool, very cool. Bandito. Okay, we got two more masks, but two classics. Okay, I'm gonna show the t-shirts first. This shirt I had to get. How cool was that? So cool. This shirt I had to get. Legend. How over the top quality is that shirt? And it looks like he sent me a freebie That's amazing. It's a like a barbecue barbecue apron. That's so good. Barbecue apron. Okay. So, oh, how nice is this? It's like AstroTurf. The legend that is Fishman. So nice. How nice is that? It's amazing. I wish you could like see feel it. And then the last mask, which I've been on the hunt for a while. Finally got one. Spectre, how good is that? Amazing. And these are all like semi-pro. How good is that? Amazing. So, that was it, guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one. See you later.